loves me. We are the bestest buddies. He even sings with me. He's got some crazy dance moves. He shakes from side to side.
Hello guys, welcome back to Madelyn's Dog World. Today we're going to be making pupcakes or cupcakes for dogs. So the first step would be have half a cup of whole wheat flour and pour it in a bowl. And then you have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And next you'll need 1/3 cup of canola oil. Spill a little. And then you'll need about 1/3 of a cup of applesauce. Is this about 1/3? Maybe? Yeah, about.
You can pour it in the third cup.
I don't want to. Would this work? Yeah, that would work. And then 1 egg. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. So, okay, got that open. I got this.
Get off there.
No. Okay, this is good. And then you mix it together. Stop. Next part after mixing the batter is letting the dog lick it. You think that's good? Is that good? Yeah, that's yummy, isn't it? Yeah. You can get a cupcake or a pupcake with that on it. Can you do it the other one? Your mouth is so messy right now. Your mouth is so messy. Okay, and next you dump it into this tray here. So I'm gonna move this stuff.
Did you do the peanut butter yet?
That's part of the frosting. So here we pour it into the cupcake pan.
That's enough. Go to the next one. Next one.
And then the next one. And the next one. Oh, Jack's licking his lips. And then this one. We put it in the oven. always just make sure you get an adult for help.
How long do you cook it for?
And then we cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Now it's ready. Let's see what they look like. Wow. Is it hot? Can you move it that way?
What?
Can you move it that way? We're gonna make the frosting now. To make that, we need 1.5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. So 1.5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt.
That's a half one.
I know.
Okay.
I'm going to make it one. So that's a half. That's another half. So that's 1. And then 1.5. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Should I use the spoon?
Get a different spoon.
Okay. This might be a little more than 3, but it'll still work. 2 and 3. So now that we put that in there, then we just mix it together to make the frosting. So do I get another spoon?
Use the whisk.
Where's the whisk? This whisk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Can I add the food coloring? You can add food coloring
Sure.
to make it a different color. I'm gonna add a few drops of blue to make it blue. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna add 3 drops. So I doubled the recipe for the frosting to make more, and the blue is turning green, so can I add a little more
Sure.
blue? Okay. It's looking a little bit like blue, but not a lot. I'm gonna keep it out in case. So my blue turned out green, but now we're gonna start frosting the cupcakes. So, as you can see, they rised a little bit, but that's okay. So like, when you're making it, you can just like fill it about halfway. This is kind of hard to do.
Can we help you?
No. I can do it. Is that good? So, we've got all of the cupcakes frosted, and this is what one looks like. You could get fancy and use one of those frosting squirters, but I just use a knife to put it on there. And speaking of the peanut butter, make sure the peanut butter that you use does not have an ingredient in it called xylitol, because xylitol is very bad for dogs. So I think I'm gonna go give one of these to Jack. Cooper,
Sit.
sit.
Sit. Down.
Sit.
Down. Down.
There you go. And then Jack.
Sorry, I shouldn't be in
There
there.
you go.
Oh, no, awesome.
They love it. No, Cooper.
No, give me that, yeah.
Cooper, you already ate yours.
But that was so good.
You want to lick your plate? No.
Cooper.
Cooper. Cooper. Cooper. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Madelynn's Dog World.
And Cooper.
These
and Cooper.
guys. Cooper,
Cooper,
oh,
oh,
you cannot eat the plate, Cooper. You cannot eat this. You can't eat the plate. You can't eat the plate.
Let's throw the trash.
Oh,
And you'll eat
you-
the trash can.
I'd say your cupcakes were a big hit with the dogs.
Yeah. Dougie thought it was really good. Bye.